So all the blogger on the internet and YouTube and all the celebrity has done this video. So I thought, let me do this video and let me show you all that what I really carry in my bag, and you can have a sneak peek inside my bag. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon, and keep watching this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let me show you quickly what I carry in this bag. So let's start. So this is my handbag. This is from US Polo. So this is amazing handbag, and I know this is a huge bag, but I really love bag. I'm bag fetish. I am in love with handbags, with clutches, with sling bags. I'm mad about bags. Thing is my purse, my money bag. I mean, I keep all my credit card, debit card inside this. Some money. Right now it's not there. Next is a book. Actually I have completed this book. I always carry a novel because I really love reading. I really like reading. So I always carry the book which I'm currently reading. But since I'm in my home, like I came native last month, if you know that I am from Mumbai, I came back to my parents' house, so I'm here with them. And since that lockdown happened, and I'm here from a month or so. So from that time, this bag is like that. After traveling, I've not touched this bag, so it's everything inside this. So I have not taken out this book, so it's here. So I always carry a novel whichever I'm reading, currently reading. So you guys know now that I love reading. Now the next thing is Pee Safe. I always carry this in my bag for hygiene purpose. Everybody knows. You can go and check my hygiene essential video. I have some deodorant, what is Miniso and Engage pocket perfume. I love to feel fresh and smell fresh and good, so 2 of them are there in my bag. There is one more perfume also. This is also again from Miniso. You guys know how much I love Miniso products. I am fan. I am mad about them products. So these are the perfume and the pocket perfume. Next is a small Dettol sanitizer. Before lockdown also I used to use sanitizer. I'm a big OCD person, so I have this small thing every time in my bag wherever I go. And I have 2 lip balm in my bag. One is from Maybelline. I can't live without lip balm. I want my lips to be hydrated every time. I don't like chapped lips, so one is Himalaya and other one is from Maybelline. So I was traveling back to my native with my father, so that time I took a mask at that point of time, so it's still in my bag. I have not gone out since then, so it's there. I have a box. In it I have my sunglasses. I am big fan to wear sunglasses. I love wearing sunglasses. Everybody will know what I love. I'm crazy girl. I'm a fan of everything. And I have this to wear. This is Dream Written. You can wear it on your eyes while sleeping, while traveling. So I have this in my bag. Now I have my lens card, my specs. I do have specs, so I wear it sometime. I have long hair, so I need to keep them secured and tied up sometimes. So I have one more. Then I have my headphone pouch. I keep all the time my headphone, my headphone holder. This is from Daily Object. This is really nice. This quality is very nice. You can check on Instagram. I have posted a review about the Daily Object bags and products. I have some tissues, dry tissues, really important while traveling or normally you should keep. I have one painkiller, very much needed. I have some panty liners, I have some sanitary pad, I have this wet wipes in my bag. I also carry a diary and a pen to write sometime if I get some idea to relate it to content, or few phone numbers are there for emergency in case I lose my phone or anything. So it's there. Some dry tissues again. Now I have a makeup pouch, small makeup pouch. This is a bling bag. It's really nice sequence bag. So I carry few makeup products. This is a primer from Oriflame, comb, mirror, compact. This is from NY Bay. You know, girls will carry all this. Then I have Oriflame Sweden concealer. Then I have Oriflame Personi Pro eyeliner. Then I have Bonjour Kajal pencil. I have an eyebrow pencil. Then I have few lipstick in my bag. Like, all are very important. Red is my favorite lipstick. This is from Maybelline Hot Chili. So I carry red lipstick every time. You never know. Then I have Faces Ultimate Pro Matte Lip Crayon Spice Latte 22. This is a nude, like a brown shade. So sometime for day. And this is again from Faces Pro Ultimate Matte Crayon Wrapped Up 09. This is again, these two can use for day. And this is a NY Bay pinkish color, pink color, which is again I can use for day. So I have kept everything ready. If I want to go for party, for clubbing, for dinner with my hubby or my family, I have my red lipstick every time in my bag. So I'm cool, I am ready for everything. The red lipstick does everything. If you are not wearing a perfect outfit but you are wearing a red lipstick, your red lips always talk. I also have a scarf in my bag to wrap myself sometime. So that's all. Everything is finished from my bag. There's nothing. There is a zip in this bag, so maybe I have something here. Yeah, I do have my house keys. So yeah, everything is done. I have shown all the things in my bag. I think it was quick and easy to show you all that what I really carry in my bag. I don't need to explain each and everything. Everybody know generally what is used for what. So hope you all like this video and hope you like peeking into my bag, and I enjoy doing this, sharing little bit my personal things to you all, to show you all what I really carry in my bag. So I'm really happy that we can connect in more some chit chat videos again. And please keep watching, and please give it a big fat thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment, and please share this videos with everyone who are new to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon and watch all my other videos on the channel. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you really like my videos, please give a big fat thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching.
I can't forget that we met. Your eyes so blue, me a person.